Alright guys, it's snowing again, but this time it's a solid video. So today we're working with, I'd say, 45 to 55 centimeters of snow. So we got a nor'easter that's coming down and it is dumping snow on all of the Maritimes right now. So we are gonna go deal with that. I'm gonna make this a bit of a longer video. And yeah, so tonight I gotta go touch up a few parking lots. I'm gonna check the engine oil, all that other crap on the KUBOTA, and then who knows, maybe I might get some car camping in. I don't know. I'm gonna run out to the grocery store, get some engine oil, all that stuff, maybe show a little bit of montage footage of servicing it, and then we're gonna go to bed and we're just gonna let it snow. So it's gonna be a lot of white powder, huge drifts, and it's gonna be just wicked. I'm gonna make this like a 3-part series to get enough footage in. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I might even get the drone out later on this afternoon, get some aerial footage and all that. So let's go get it done. I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. Thank you guys for watching, and we're growing subscribers every day, so let's get it going. Alright YouTube, I figured I'd pick you guys up really quick. This isn't going to be the legit footage. I'm out in the evening to touch up some of my parking lots and whatnot. Yeah, we got a solid 60-70 centimeters of pure white fluff. I might get a little bit of loader footage here for you guys, but then I'm going to head to bed. We're going to pick you guys up around 4 a.m. and get cracking. Let's run it up, guys.
Good morning, YouTube. 3 a.m. Time to get a coffee, get out there, wake up a little bit, and it's pretty deep.
and holy crap, it has snowed. You know it's bad when a rig like this is being pushed to its absolute limits. Each driveway is taking me probably 3 or 4 times longer than it normally does. It's going to be a 24-hour kind of plow day, easily. Hey guys, it's probably about 7 a.m. This is bad. It's still snowing. It's been well over 24 hours of snowing. I'm not even done like an eighth of my rounds. It's really, really, really bad. Most of the roads aren't even plowed yet. This is definitely one of the biggest storms we've had in years. This is like perfect plowing footage. Oh man, guys, checking in, hour 12. It's looking like it's going to be a 24-hour. Oh man, another day, another house. YouTube, we're still in the tractor. It is approaching 7 p.m. and we've been out here since 3. Well, actually a little bit before 3. So definitely getting tired, definitely working our butts off. We got a few more homes we're gonna go touch up, and then sadly a plow dumped in one of my customers way in Quispam. So we actually got to go for like an hour drive to just do the end of someone's driveway, which is a pain, but you know, you win some, you lose some.